We are in Clune Wood today, and we've tried to come here before, but it was just after Storm Barra, so there was no access to the woodlands at all. So several storms later, we're back, and we're here to try and find a stone circle which should be up at the top of the hill through the forest. And I think there also might be like a mini cairn up there, but we'll see. But yeah, it's such a beautiful day, sunglasses on, which is always nice. But I'm also sort of carrying everything with me because I think the weather's supposed to turn and it's supposed to get quite wet later, but fingers crossed it won't. Wow. So we're already at the edge of the wood. The plan was to like walk, hit the edge of the wood and then turn right. And we've been walking, what, like 5 minutes and we're already here. So I guess now we find a way to creep into the woodland and see if we can find the opening with the stone circle in. It looks so dark and like foreboding. It's like the Blair Witch Project. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. I see it. Well, this is going to be a short video because what I thought was going to be like a full day's long enjoyable walk through the woods of Clune all the way up the hill to the stone circle has actually taken us about 15 minutes, and I thought it was going to be more difficult because there's no waymarked paths, but actually it was super easy. So we're here now, we're going to have a little explore. It's quite small, but there's also some sort of like little cairns and enclosures around, so we'll have a look at those too. Well, I don't need these sunglasses anymore because it's snowing. We found the cairn. It's not that far from the stone circle, so if you're ever in the area, it's definitely worth hunting down because it's not much of a hunt really, and it's always nice to add a cairn onto your day. we're back at the car, and that's us done for the day in terms of small adventures anyway. So I really recommend, if you're in Aberdeenshire, coming to check this place out, because it's really pretty. The woodlands are nice, the stone circle's kind of raggedy and a bit overgrown, which is how I like them. The cairn's worth dropping in on, and it's a really easy place to get to and park at, so definitely recommend it. And normally at this point in the video I tell you what I'm about to go home and play. So recently I've been playing No Man's Sky, which is epic. A little too epic at the moment. I feel like I have too much to do. I don't know what to focus on. But yeah, good game nonetheless. So looking forward to going home and playing some of that.